Have you ever discovered those dreaded little holes in your beautiful rug? It's a heartbreaking moment, and the culprits are often tiny, destructive moths. These pests absolutely love the natural fibers in our rugs, and they can cause some serious damage before we even notice them. They're especially active in the spring, but with our cozy, heated homes, they can be a year-round nightmare. So, what do you do when you find your precious rug has become a moth's all-you-can-eat buffet? Don't panic and definitely don't throw it out. There are several ways to save it. First things first, as soon as you spot damage, vacuum the rug thoroughly, front and back. But here's a pro tip: don't use the beater brush. It's too harsh and can make the damage worse. Just use the suction attachment. Next, it's time for a professional deep clean. This isn't your average carpet cleaning. Specialized rug washers use specific shampoos and treatments to eliminate any remaining moths, eggs, and larvae. This step is crucial to stop the infestation in its tracks. Once your rug is clean and pest-free, it's time to assess the damage. Are there tiny holes? Are the edges frayed? Or are there large, threadbare patches? The type of damage will determine the best repair method. Moths love dark, undisturbed places, so damage is often found along the edges that were under furniture, or in the center where a coffee table sat. Now for the repairs. If the damage isn't visible from the front, a deep cleaning might be all you need. But if the front is damaged, you have a few options. For smaller holes, patching is a great, affordable solution. A skilled artisan will find a donor rug with a similar pattern and color, and carefully blend in a patch to make the repair almost invisible. If you have a very valuable rug with extensive damage and you want a flawless restoration, reweaving is the way to go. This is a meticulous, labor-intensive process where a master weaver literally reweaves the damaged section, knot by knot, perfectly matching the original design and colors. It's more expensive, but for an heirloom piece, it's worth it to restore its value completely. Another clever option, especially if the damage is concentrated on the edges, is resizing. The damaged borders are trimmed off and a new binding is sewn around the rug. You'll end up with a slightly smaller rug, but it will look perfectly natural and completely restored. Sometimes only the binding itself is damaged. In that case, a simple binding repair might be all that's needed to secure the edges and prevent unraveling. Finally, if the moths have just grazed the surface, creating an uneven pile, a process called shearing can help. It gently shaves the top layer of the wool, evening out the surface. Your rug might look a little more antique and aged, but the moth-eaten appearance will be gone. Before you bring your beautifully restored rug back home, make sure you've cleaned and sanitized the area where it will go. You don't want a repeat infestation. Consider using moth traps. They use pheromones to attract and trap the moths, helping you monitor and control the population. The best defense is always a good offense. Regular vacuuming at home and a professional deep cleaning every 3 to 5 years will keep your wool rugs from becoming a tasty snack for moths. Clean wool is much less appetizing to them. So if you find moth damage, remember it's not the end of the world for your rug. With the right care and professional help, it can be restored to its former glory. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more rug care tips.